All right, welcome back. So lesson 4, activity 6. Now we're going to take, if you know, we're just going to debug this. So debugging means that our program's not correct and we need to fix something. And we need to figure out what that error is. So if we look at our code here, it looks like our sky is correct. Looks like our sun is correct in the right place. And it does kind of tell you down here too, we need to extend the grass along the entire bottom. And it looks like that it's about the correct height. If I drag this down here a little bit, looks like this is the correct height here for this. But if we notice, our grass only extends a certain distance, and so looks like it goes about halfway to 200. And so what we want to do is actually make this wider. So let's go ahead and make this 400. Let's move this up a little bit and make that 400, so that now when we run this, it extends all the way across the bottom. We're just changing the width of the shape. It only extended halfway across. Everything else looks correct, and so that should be the solution for this. Good luck on your coding.